Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Rajput and today I'm going to tell you about media trials. So in today's world, it has been said that one who controls the media controls the truth and the public. The media plays a very important role in shaping, changing and manipulating the opinions of the society. There have been many cases where the media has taken cases into its own hand and declared an accused guilty even before the court has given its decision, and people often tend to believe it. Now, media is regarded as one of the four pillars of democracy under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. It has a fundamental right. But do the media have the power to cross the reasonable restriction in the name of the fundamental right? Certainly not. The media plays a very important role in molding the opinion of the society and is capable of changing the whole viewpoint through which people perceive various events according to the media. Now, media has a power for starting a trend where it plays an active role in bringing the accused to the hook. Let us talk about the time when Jessica Lal murder case happened or Arushi Talwar murder case occurred. What happened in all those cases? It led to the widespread coverage of the guilt of the accused and also led to a certain perception of the accused. Now, it created hysteria among viewers in high profile cases, making it nearly impossible for the trial to result in a fair judgment. Forget about that. Last year, when India was fighting with coronavirus, what was pertaining all over the news? Sushant Singh Rajput murder case and a clear character assassination of the accused who were not guilty in the murder charge. Now, this case very simply shifted from being a murder case to suicide and then went into a drug dealing, where the entire population was believed that Ria was convicted as the murder and also said that she is a black musician without any proof. Now, the media trials in these cases have caused wrongful portrayal of the accused and helped in destroying many careers. There have been examples in the past where the media has declared an accused guilty of the charge and the person lost his reputation and job and it destroyed its career, but the court proved them innocent. But what did that person gain? He lost everything in the media trial. Let us talk about Sanjay Dutt case. We all are aware of that case. So, according to him, he kept the gun in order to protect his family, and because of the threats he had received during the riots in Mumbai, which was followed by the Babri Masjid demolition in December 1992. After this, he was soon charged and arrested under Terrorist and Destructive Activities Prevention Act (TADA) 1987 for receiving ammunition from Abu Salim and his involvement in the blast. The Tada court, after 11 years, acquitted Sanjay Dutt of all the charges and made against him after observing that he had acquired guns for self-defense and he was not a terrorist. Being a famous actor, this case was highlighted by media to a certain extent. The media portrayed the picture of Sanjay Dutt as a terrorist, which was later held by the court that he was not accused of those charges. Now, after this incident, being an actor, he had to suffer a lot of problems and outrage, and his reputation got depleted. Now, media trials tend to prevail in the people when society at large starts to lose their logical sense and logical sense of reasoning and critical thinking. Now, they forget to focus on the real issue, thus, the growth and development comes at stake. The role of media is to give correct news and information and make people aware of the things that are going in the country. But is that what media does right now? No. The media has a very special power and it is called manipulation. What we have is a series of medical trials falling in a humane and true to their nature. Instead of heading on with the positive role of media, it is mostly now used to spread propaganda, false news, targeted people, and destroy many lives for the TRP and politics. Now, this is now an ever growing profession in India where news is equivalent to entertainment. Thank you.